The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 through 2024 Ford Expedition with the factory installed raised side rails. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Edge base rack system. It's a sleek, low-profile base rack that consists of the Wingbar Edge load bars. Both bars happen to be the same length in this install, 41 inches in length, and the foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, is the Edge raised rail foot pack. Locks are available as an additional accessory but are not required. You have a maximum load capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and the crossbars can be mounted along the length of the rail. So a great rack for different types of gear and accessories, maybe a cargo box or some bikes or kayaks. But for easy ordering of this complete kit or more details and pictures, please visit our website with the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this quick vehicle walk around. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.